How to change color profile picture size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, sorry. So after click on call settings, scroll down and click on color information. So after click on color information, you will see profile picture size is here. So click on, if you want to change color profile information picture size, so click on profile picture size. So you will see large and small is here. So if you want to set small, so click on small. You will see profile picture size is set on small. So if you want to set profile picture size large, so click on large. You will see profile picture size large is set. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change color profile picture size on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.